Hey guys, what's up? Elders from Top Trading Reviews. How you guys doing? Leave a comment down below. Right, we're continuing on binary options. I'm gonna use a lot of strategies, and let's see. We're gonna be trading on 1 minute to 2 minute time frames. Obviously, like last video, I'm just gonna show you my entry points, when I'm gonna find the trade, and you're gonna discuss why I placed the trade. So let's begin. So on GBP USD, as we can see, it's on a current little uptrend at the moment on the 5 minute time frame. So I believe it's nice time to place this trade towards the upwards direction. This is the reason because over here on the 15 minute, as you can see, the resistance line, it broke out with this green candle over here. Obviously it's fluctuating a lot because of these big wicks, but it should be coming down and it should be going up. So that's what I'm expecting, at least on the GBP USD 1 minute time frame. So I'm gonna come back once it's like 5 seconds or so. So currently the GBP USD is actually breaking the support line, or I should say the floor, and it's coming back to this area over here, which is also a selling point. So it should be coming back towards the upwards direction very soon, but it just needs a little bit more time. So I think we're just gonna double up. So we're gonna just do 400 over here. We're gonna wait for the trade to close. There we go, and we're gonna place another trade very quickly if it allows us. Deal error, try again. I wanted to enter here. The broker always does that. That's why I hate trading binary options sometimes, because brokers, manipulate the markets. But what can you do? We're doing pretty well at the moment. 6,000 balance, so I'm not too worried. Let's have a look. GBP USD, it should be bouncing back. As you can see, it touched here, touched here, touched here. As you can see, these wicks, let me just zoom in. These wicks indicate there's a lot of buying pressure towards this area where I put my blue rectangle on, and that's why it should be bouncing back. We could even put the trend line over here. As you can see, it bounced back towards the top every time it touched with these wicks. As you can see, every time it touched, it always bounced back. So let's see if that's happening, and it is currently, and that's what we want to see. So the first trade didn't go too well, but the second one saved it, and obviously we recovered because we doubled up. So everything's fine. Let's go back to 200, see what this trade's gonna do. If it goes down a little bit more, we can do the same thing over here. This is 5 minute charts, by the way. Let's have a look in the 1 minute. As you can see, it's very nice. Oh, we missed it. We totally missed it. I should have placed this trade. So let's wait, and there it is. We're placing this candle over here. It should be fine because this red candle just closed over here on the 5 minute time frame. As you can see, this red candle, although it went down below our trend line, it didn't close, which means this area or this floor or support is still valid, and it should be bouncing back towards the upwards direction. So that's what we're expecting for the GBP USD pair. Let's see how it does. It's 28 seconds left. I'll come back to you guys once it's 5 seconds or so. So it's 9 seconds left. It just bounced back towards the upwards direction. That's what I like to see. It should be a profitable trade. There we go. So very nice. GBP USD. Let's just close that. Yeah, $6,901 currently, which is very nice. I'm happy around that. GBP USD. So if it bounces back towards the downwards direction yet again, we can place this trade. Let's place this trade. Let's see if it's going to be profitable. GBP USD, it bounced back a little bit. Maybe I should have waited a little bit more for a pullback towards the downwards direction. A little bit stronger pullback, that's what I mean. But it should be fine, honestly. So let's see. Okay, pull back towards the upwards direction, which is where my trade wants to go. Expiration time 10 seconds. It seems pretty good. Bit lagging at the moment. What's going on? Going down now. Ooh. Let's see, is it gonna be profitable? And the broker, okay, the broker just refunded us our money, profit 200. That's what we were risking, so we got nothing. We didn't lose anything, we didn't win anything. So let's wait for a normal pullback towards the downwards direction. I'll come back to you guys once I see something. Boom. Okay, let's place this. This seems like a nice trade. GBP USD, as you can see, it's breaking this upwards trend line. And yeah, it went down super crazy. We instantly bought. Let's see if it's going to be a nice opportunity towards the upwards direction, and if it's going to be profitable. It might just start breaking, and that's what's happening at the moment. It's a very strong push towards the downwards direction, which is kind of expected because of the three big candles. However, looking at it, we have 9 seconds left. If we manage to win, obviously we are happy. If we manage to lose, we'll just double up. And it seems like we're gonna lose, so let's instantly double up yet again and see how this trade goes. So we're doubling up around this area at the moment. Let's see what the broker thinks. So it dips a little bit, but it should be bouncing back towards the upwards direction, honestly. So let's see how that develops. There's 1 minute 37 before this candle closes, so it will confirm whether this is a break towards the downwards direction, and then we need to start trading, down, or it's gonna be a nice pullback towards the upwards direction, and we're gonna be carry on trading the buy orders. So it pulled back a little bit. It's pulling back towards the upwards direction now. What's going on over here? Seems okay. Okay, 720, so very nice. $7,021 currently, very, very nice. To be fair, we need to wait for this candlestick closure. This will then tell us whether we should be trading, towards the downwards direction or the upwards direction. Because if this red candle breaks this trend line, it means it's a downtrend now. If it pops up towards this direction, it means it's still a buying direction, and that's what we need to wait for. It's 20 seconds left, and I'll come back to you guys once this candle closes. So this candle closed towards the downwards direction, which means we need to wait for a pullback towards the upwards direction before we start placing a downwards trade. So let's wait. We can even do something like this. It's going up now. We need to be fair, place the trade. Let's place. There we go. As you can see, it's going towards the downwards direction. This support line, it shouldn't be breaking at all. So it should be going down now. So let's see how this trade does. GBP USD, the overall direction, as you can see, has been consolidating the past couple of hours, I would say, but it has been going down. Let's just have a look in the 15-minute time frame. As you can see, it has been going down since 8th of October. So today, since 3 in the morning, to be exact. Let's have a look on the 1 minute. What's going on? It's bouncing back towards the upwards direction a little bit, but that's expected. And as you can see, it's gaining a lot of sell orders now. So let's see. Yeah, it's going down. Very nice. Profit 350. I'm not sure why it's free. Oh yeah, it is 350. Yeah, that's fine. Let's see. So we need to wait now. Yet again, a nice pullback towards the upwards direction before we start placing trades towards the downwards direction. Very easy to do. Support and resistance. So let's wait. There we go. Pulled back. Oh my god. Place. There we go. It pulled back towards the upwards direction. Very strong pullback towards the upwards direction, which could confirm a breakage, but it's probably not going to be a breakage on the 5 minutes, and on the 1 minute breakage it's going to be unreliable at all. So we just need to wait for it. Let's have a look in the 5 minutes. As you can see, going down, trying to break. Very zoomed in chart, by the way. Yeah, so it broke out from the 1 minute, which could mean a breakage on the 5 minute, but it's not yet confirmed, so we need to wait for it. And I believe it's going to be a sell order trade, to be honest, since the overall direction and the overall market has been going down. So let's see what's going on. Connection lost. It was connection lost 5 seconds ago, so let's see. Currently the trade is very, fluctuating, going up and down, very uncertain trade at the moment, but I still believe it should be pulling back towards the downwards direction, so that's what I'm gonna go for. Obviously, if I lose this trade, I'm just gonna double up as always, because that's what we need to do on binary options. Seems like it's a loser. We're gonna place this trade and we're gonna wait. We place these trades for the double up because of the expiration time. Sometimes you need to let the trade develop before it starts going in your direction. That's why you double up. You don't just double up and martingale because of a gambling. You don't do that. You analyze correctly. Sometimes your analysis is correct, but you just need some time before the trade develops and starts moving in your direction. That's why when you double up, you earn whatever you lost plus the initial percentage that you would have gained, and that's why you always double up and make money like that on binary options. On Forex is different because you have obviously the take profit levels, the stop loss levels, and you can initiate when you want to leave the market and when you want to take your profit. It's very much different. You don't have any expiration time. Obviously there's swap rates, but that's a different story. So 6 seconds, 5 seconds left, and I'm confident this is going to be a profitable trade. Very, very nice. So trade result, $700, $7,271 currently. So let's see what's going on. We can even have a look at this trend over here. So it bounces back towards this area. We can place a nice sell order trade yet again. So let's see what's up. So it's going up a little bit. I wanted to place this trade actually. I wanted to go up a little bit more. I think it's gonna drop soon. Let's place it. Why not? It's going up a little bit, but yeah, as you can see, it dropped now. There we go. I told you, it's support and resistance. The trend line's down. The overall trend, you know, on the 50-minute time frame is down, and it's on the resistance line over here. So I'm very confident that it should be going down, and it is. The expiration time is 16 seconds. Very, very nice at the moment. And hopefully this continues to go down and gonna be profitable. Hopefully it doesn't just shoot back up randomly, because sometimes that happens on Forex or binary options. So 2 seconds, very, very nice, going down. I love it. 350, 7,421. So you can see it's shooting back up now. We can place another trade. If we can, there we go. We're going to place this trade because I know it's on a trend line, as you can see, because I placed the trade over here. So I know it's on a trend line and it should be going down. So it's a valid trade straight away. I'm placing it. Obviously, if it doesn't go my way, I will double up until it does, because that's what you do on binary options. You analyze, and it's pretty much the same analysis on the 5-minute. Obviously the trend line, I'm not following this trend line on the 5 minutes, I'm following the 1 minute time. But as you can see, this resistance line is touching the resistance line, breaking the little trend line that I have. And yeah, let's see. So it's going up. Obviously these trend lines that I draw, they're not, you know, pure indicators, so you need to understand that it's easier for you to see. That's why I'm drawing it. 4 seconds, so that's fine. We will I wanted to, oh look, it's gonna be profitable. Boom, 350. I thought it's gonna be a loser, and look, it just dropped. What I told you guys, look, this candle tried to close, and what happened is on the last seconds it didn't, and look, it's behind my trend line that I had. As you can see, the wick was there, you know, and touching it, but the trend line was not broken with this candle, and it went down, as you can see, and it was profitable. I thought it won't be profitable, but it was. Look, at the last seconds it dropped down. My analysis was correct. And also I'm gonna be releasing, you know, Forex signals group very soon. Premium signals and free signals. Free signals is gonna be like 1 signal a day, but a very good one probably. You know, I'm gonna be making like a very good one, analyze and explain my analysis. And on premium signals, I'm gonna be making like 10 signals. Probably not 10, probably like 5 signals a day. You know, let's be realistic, because I want to analyze properly and make you money as well as make me money. So we're gonna do that. I will probably release them, my free one at least, probably today or something. I'm gonna link in the description down below, so if you want to join you can. And if it's not there, it will be there probably within a day's time or something, you know, or 2 days time maximum. So let's trade more. So it's pulling back a little bit towards the upwards direction. We can place this trade, see what's up. It has been going down a little bit, it's fluctuating, it's going up a little bit more. Oh, this is where I would want to, you know, place this trade. But it's going down now yet again. So it probably it pushed back a little bit, went down. Let's see what's going on. And I'll come back to you guys once it's like 5 seconds left. So as you can see over here, the chart is actually going down like crazy, which is very nice. Obviously it's going to be a profitable trade for me. Well, it's very likely, at least. It's trying to break this 1 minute support zone over here. As you can see, it bounced back so many times over here, but now this red candle, this red engulfing candle I should say, should be breaking this. If it will be, it's going to be a confirmed, you know, nice trade for me. Or if it won't break because the candle is ending, it might pull back towards the upwards direction. So let's see what's going on. Yeah, it's pulling back a little bit, but that's fine. We're still in the profit. There we go, we're still in the profit, pulling back a little bit, and we can enter the trade yet again. But this means it's not a confirmed break towards the downwards direction. As you can see, this candle doesn't mean anything, you know, it's not broken. It would be broken only when the red candle over here would be, you know, closed. But let's see, it's trying to break yet again. I could have entered on this pullback towards this level 122052, but now it's going down, it's trying to break yet again. So the only opportunity we have is just to wait for the market to push towards the upwards direction, and then we're gonna place a nice sell trade. But currently it doesn't seem like it's gonna happen. 9 seconds left until the candle confirms, and as you can see, when it's like last seconds, it doesn't confirm, and boom, it shoots back towards the upwards direction where the support is, and that's what happens. So we need to just wait it out. I need a nice pullback towards the upwards direction, but these 2 wicks also indicate there's a lot of buying pressure towards this area. We could just turn around and start going to the upwards direction. We don't know that, but this does happen. So yeah. So this red candle just broke out, as you can see over here. It took a while, as you can 3 candles at least, but now we marked a little resistance zone. So if it pulls back towards the upwards direction a little bit, we're gonna place a sell order, and it seems like it's doing it. So let's place it real quick. There we go. It might go up a little bit more because we placed it a little bit prematurely. There we go. It's going up. As you can see, it should be touching this area over here, and it should be going down now. That's my expected result at least. So let's wait and see. It's trying, obviously, as you can see, it touched this area over here. Now it's trying to just pull back and go towards the downwards direction yet again. And oh wow, the last seconds we lost this trade. That was unfortunate. But let's place a nice sell order trade. It should be going down. Because obviously after a pullback it should be going down, and vice versa. You know, if it's like a breakage towards the upwards direction, you should be pulling back towards down, and it should be going back up. That's what happens most of the time in forex trading, so you need to keep that in mind, and trust me, you'll be profitable. So let's wait. As you can see, we're doubling up. The broker totally screwed us actually, because the market was going down over here on these normal charts, but on the broker charts, apparently, you know, the last second it started to go up. I don't know, it happens, you know, on forex, on binary options brokers at least. For some reason it's lagging as well. The expiration time has stopped, so don't know what's happening. So not sure what happened over here. I lost the trade, but the broker just lagged out. I had to restart my browser, and I look at my balance. It's obviously lower than it was, so I'm not sure what happened. But as you can see, I was, you know, I would have been still profitable. I don't know what happened, you know, maybe the last second I lost the trade. I'll have to have a look at my history. But as you can see, it bounced back, it pulled back, went down, fluctuated a little bit, pulled back towards this area, and went down. And that's what basically I said is gonna happen. So it always happens like that. It's trying to break again, and if it does, we're gonna be placing trades towards this direction over here. So you can see this is going to be another, you know, support now. That's meant to be broken. If it breaks the support, it's going to become resistance. It'll probably pull back to the resistance line and then go down. This is what happens in binary options and forex. Very easy to do, and anyone can do it, and you can learn from me as well once I release my, you know, free forex signals, premium forex signals, and all that. So if you're excited, leave a comment down below, smash that like button, and share these videos to your friends if you can. And take care, guys. I'm gonna be ending this session now. 7121. Screw the broker. It would have been bigger. And take care, guys. Have a nice day. Love you guys. Goodbye.
Ain't about money, it's about being loyal. Cause when I had nothing, they stayed on my soil. The grass might be greener on the other side, but not for the ones who left me out to dry. I can forget, but I never forget. Money is power, but care about respect. If you've been focused on credit or debit, then I'ma pay you a reality check. Some of the richest be feeling depressed. Material shit don't compare to the rest. I move around with my real ones, make a memory.